quantum physics has come to a stage where we have begun to believe that everything around us, including me and you, is a frequency. Be it the air that surrounds us, the walls, or your own hands, the fingers, and the nose, the sounds we emanate, the air we breathe. Everything in the end translates itself into a frequency with a well-defined pattern. And when this frequency goes out of tune, we enter into a state which is not being at ease, which we call as disease. The question then is, do we know what the frequency of this hand is, of the nose, or for that matter for the eye is? What is the frequency of the cheeks and the ears? Yes. We know for sure the exact frequencies along with their reproducible sound coordinates. For example, if I tell you to create a frequency of 528.196 MHz, you might find it boggling. On the other hand, if I give you a simple sound like, let's say, la, it becomes easy for you to produce it because you don't need any apparatus and you don't need complicated gadgetry for that. This sound can be produced whenever, wherever. Understanding these individual sounds that make our organs, the energy flows in our body, as well as the tissue systems, and utilizing them, one, to heal the diseases, the discomforts in that particular area, two, to maintain their state of healthiness, and three, to make them work at their optimum capacity, we have what we call as the sounds of Shiva. Yes, my friends. It was Shiva, the man who walked 15,000 years ago on this very earth in flesh and bones, has frequency mapped the human body along with its organs and systems. And for the first time, we bring this to you as a therapy module in a 3-day workshop at the wonderful and scenic Igatpuri. Join us on this adventure.